Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you the tips on how to play Royal Match. So let's start. First of all, game basics. You have match 3 mechanics. The core gameplay revolves around matching at least 3 tiles of the same color or type to clear them for the board. Each level has specific objectives like collecting certain items, clearing obstacles, or reaching a score target. Then we have special tiles and power-ups. We have match 4 tiles, match 5 tiles, T or L-shaped matches, and combos. So firstly, match 4 tiles create a rocket which clears the entire row or column. Match 5 tiles create a bomb clearing tiles in a radius. T or L-shaped are creating a TNT which clears a large area. And combining power-ups results in a more powerful effect. Also, you're given a limited number of moves for each level. Meet the level's objectives within the move limit to win and earn stars. After completing levels, you use the stars you've earned to renovate and decorate different areas of the castle. And as you progress, more rooms and features of the castle will unlock for you to restore. Also, do not forget that you have a limited number of lives, and failing a level uses up 1 life. After that, they replenish over time. You can also use boosters before starting a level or during the gameplay to help you clear tricky puzzles. And the last tips I'll give you: focus on completing level goals rather than just matching tiles. Try to save powerful combos for when you really need them. Plan ahead to maximize matches and make use of power-ups strategically. And these are the tips I have for you guys. Hopefully you have fun playing this game. Good luck, enjoy, and thank you for watching.